The iPad Pro with M1 was already an extremely powerful device to get your job done, and recently, Apple pushed the limitation of the iPad Pro by equipping the M2 chipset, so it became an incredibly important device to protect at any cost. And the right iPad Pro case can protect your investment from any accidental damage. This is why we made a list of the top 5 iPad Pro M2 case, which will defend your iPad Pro from every possible angle. This is the next generation iPad Pro Touch Keyboard Case combo from Logitech that enables new levels of versatility. You can type, view, read, and sketch while keeping the iPad Pro secure from every side in a form-fitting case. Combo Touch features a detachable keyboard, so you can keep it away when you don't need it. This case even has an adjustable kickback stand to provide additional flexibility while typing or watching content. Plus, with the largest trackpad, you can get responsive navigation and multi-touch gestures experience. Whether it is iPhone or iPad, Otterbox never disappoints when it's all about protection, and their Defender series for iPad Pro is at its best without skimping on style. It offers multi-layer protection to keep your iPad Pro safe from accidental drops, bumps, and shocks. With an outer slipcover, this case feels grippy, so there's a high chance not to slip out of your hand. Besides, port covers can block dust, dirt, and debris from getting into jacks and ports. You will also get a versatile stand for comfortable typing and hands-free viewing. The ESR Hybrid Case is tough on its own to keep your iPad Pro protected with or without the cover. Yes, it has a detachable magnetic cover that strongly defends your device from back and front. It even features shock-absorbing sides for total body safeguard against drops, bumps, and scratches. Plus, the versatile stand effortlessly allows you to shift from portrait to landscape, so you get a perfect viewing angle no matter what you do. Besides, the magnetic clasp securely holds your Apple Pencil while charging wirelessly. The Zugu Case for iPad Pro strikes the perfect balance by offering marvelous full-body protection while staying slim and sleek. It is equipped with TPU and PC shell to ensure rugged protection, so your iPad Pro stays safe even after dropping it accidentally. It is relatively slim, yet provides drop protection up to 5 feet to help you make through daily life. With its magnetic stand, you can get the perfect viewing angle whether you're working or watching content while cooking. Besides, its magnetic mount allows you to attach it anywhere that is metal. Also, you can keep your Apple Pencil safe and sound in the stylus holder. If you want to get the most benefits from the Apple devices, you obviously have to be in their ecosystem. And the Magic Keyboard Folio case for iPad Pro is the perfect companion for both protection and a workstation. When it's not using it as a keyboard, it protects your device from everyday scratches and bumps, so you will have some peace of mind while carrying your iPad Pro around. Plus, an adjustable stand offers a smooth, continuous viewing angle while working or watching your favorite content. The versatile two-piece design includes a detachable keyboard, so if a task comes up, all you have to do is magnetically attach it to your iPad Pro to get your job done. Furthermore, a 14-key function row and trackpad allow you to handle tasks with precision. So that was all about the top 5 iPad Pro M2 cases just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.